Ever wonder how your simple sketch can look like classic Art Nouveau artwork? Today I will show you how to turn any drawing into a beautiful Art Nouveau style image using sketch to image on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, remove the S Pen to open up the recommend menu. Tap Drawing Assist. Then tap Sketch to Image icon. Inside the provided box, draw something. As the example, let's draw a simple flower with S Pen. Select Art Nouveau from the list of effects. Then tap Generate and wait for the result. When the Art Nouveau version appears, tap the download icon to save the image directly to your gallery. And that's it. A simple sketch becomes an elegant Art Nouveau artwork ready to share or use as a sticker letter. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.